All right, boom, everybody. We're back again. Like I said, we're at the Hard Rock and beautiful Punta Cana. We're about to explore a presidential suite. First of all, as soon as you walk in, you can see that it's massive. As soon as you walk in, you have a full bathroom right next to the door. Beautiful. And of course, with the flair that only hard rock can do, see the saxophones and the, wow. All right, so we're gonna head on in. So, as I said, this is a presidential suite. This particular one is just amazing. So, first, it can be either a 1 or a 2 bedroom because you can open up. So, as you can see, we walk right into a dining area where you have your sink, you have a small kitchen. I mean, full mirrors. I mean, they thought about everything when they, so you have your bar, your own bar, looking out, dining room, you have your living room area down there. So like I said, this can be either 1 or 2 bedrooms. So currently they have it set up so I can see it as a 2 bedroom. So as you can see, initially, if it was a 1 bedroom, it would be this, because you can see it has the sliding doors. However, if you need both bedrooms, they can open this door up as well. So you have your options, which is always great. So let's walk into the first bedroom. Again, in the hard rock flair, it is amazingly large. You have your flat screens. You have your desk, because I'm sure you're doing some business when you're in here. You have your walk down into your sunken living room. And again, it's just a beautiful space. Art is amazing. And as you look back, so that is the 1 bedroom. And as anything else, and as they do here at the Hard Rock, we want to make sure you're in luxury. So what do they give you? Full patio, big jetted tub, which goes across both areas. Very large patio, beautiful view. As you can see, you're looking right at all the little streams, just some peace when you're up here and being able to just relax and just see everything. So again, wow, man, it's amazing. One more time, wow. All right, so as we continue the tour, we're going back up the stairs. Like I said, the room is expansive, very beautiful. They have the dimming lights. They have the side lights for the bed for reading at night. That's awesome. You like to get a bag here when you're going out to the beach and things of that nature. So step into the actual bathroom. Again, expansive double sinks, excellent lighting to make sure that, especially for you ladies, you can see, make sure your makeup is all right, and they got full length mirrors. So in the bedroom, here's your closet space right here. Iron, you have your safe, nice size, fit all your things in there. You have your house shoes and robes, and they just make sure you have tons of space. Like I said, the full mirrors, making sure that you're comfortable. Bathroom, nice size again. Don't have to do much to show you your bathroom. We're gonna step into the shower. As we move into the shower, you have a full bench along the whole shower. Again, you have the rain shower head. You have the handheld, very comfortable. So ample space. I'm telling you, they really thought about it here at the Hard Rock. So as you can see, we're headed back out. This was the first bedroom. Now let's cross back over. So if you need 2 bedrooms, have a family, couple of kids, like I said, you just come through and you have 2, not 1, but 2 king size beds. Again, they really think about the art. It's just amazing. And again, you have where you can walk down into your sunken living room. And space is not an issue at all. They make sure you have tons of space. And like I said, this could be a room all in and of itself, or if you want both rooms, that's what I was showing you earlier. And again, so this is, you have the sliding doors for this bathroom. So not only you have 2 bedrooms, in reality that means you have 3 full bathrooms. So as you remember, when we first came in, there was a bathroom. Shower. Same as before, but they skimp nowhere. They make sure that you're not missing something in one area and everything else is in the other. That's amazing. So, closet, space again. Like I said, so they didn't skimp on space. They didn't skimp on luxury. So all in all, the presidential suite, be it 1 bedroom or be it 2 bedrooms, the presidential suite is a great option for a family. TVs everywhere. So this has been the presidential suite at the Hilton in the beautiful Dominican Republic.